Did you know that in today's fast-paced world, children are facing more mental health challenges than ever before? How can we empower our kids to be unstoppable in the face of adversity? Let's dive into the world of raising resilient children together. Building resilience in kids is crucial for their mental well-being and future success. As parents, we play a vital role in helping our children develop the strength and skills needed to navigate life's ups and downs with confidence. Today, children encounter various obstacles that can hinder their ability to develop resilience. From academic pressure and social media influence to the fear of failure, our kids are constantly facing challenges that can impact their mental health and well-being. It's essential for us to address these issues and equip our children with the tools they need to thrive. Helping our kids develop resilience is all about creating a supportive environment where they can learn to cope with challenge and build confidence. Start by letting them face age-appropriate challenges and encourage problem solving with open-ended questions like, what do you think would happen if? Celebrate their effort rather than just the results, and teach them to see mistakes as learning opportunities. Be a role model by showing them how you handle stress and setbacks, and share your own stories of overcoming difficulties. It's also important to provide emotional support and help them build strong relationships with friends and other supportive adults. We need to give them responsibilities and let them make decisions to foster independence. Teach them to identify and manage their emotions with techniques like deep breathing or mindfulness. Encourage regular physical activity and outdoor play, which reduces stress and improves their mood. Help them set and work towards personal goals. And get them involved in community service to cultivate a sense of purpose. Make sure you maintain consistent routines and clear expectations to provide a stable environment. Lastly, allow for unstructured time so they can experience boredom and find creative ways to entertain themselves. By incorporating these strategies, we can help our kids build the resilience they need to thrive. In summary, raising resilient children is essential in preparing them for life's inevitable setbacks. By providing them with the necessary tools and support, we can help our kids develop the resilience they need to thrive in today's world. Remember, resilience is not about avoiding challenges, but about facing them head-on with courage and determination. I encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips on raising resilient children. Share your own experiences and tips in the comments below. Let's support each other in nurturing the next generation of unstoppable kids. Thank you for watching. And if you want to watch another video about how letting your kids get bored could be one of the best things you could do, click the thumbnail above.